Identity verification at ePlanet Brokers. Log into your ePlanet Brokers user panel. Before starting the identity verification process, please pay attention to the following important points. Make sure your VPN is turned off. Have your original identification document ready. The minimum eligible age for identity verification is 18 years old. Now, in your user panel, from the side menu, click on Settings, select Account Verification. Read the displayed message and click on Continue. To begin, select the Continue on mobile phone option. You can now scan the sent QR code with your mobile phone camera so that the verification page opens automatically in your mobile browser. Now, select the country that issued your identity document, then click Continue. Next, specify the type of identity document. Prepare your documents and click on the Continue button. At this stage, to complete the verification process, allow access to your mobile phone camera. Hold the front side of your ID card in front of your phone camera and upload the image directly. Make sure the image is not blurry or shaky, as unreadable documents will prevent the system from allowing you to continue the process. Take a photo of the back side of your ID card and upload it. After ensuring the images have been successfully uploaded, select Continue. At this stage of verification, to match the identity documents with the person being verified, you must allow camera access so the system can take a live photo of you. Move your face until the circle is completely filled and turns green. The system will now process your information to match your identity documents with the live image. Your identity verification will be approved shortly. You can now easily access your user account. If for any reason you need assistance during the verification process, you can contact the online support section of the website.